Hey guys, thanks for joining the channel. Don't forget to click, like, and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel out. And we're running.
All I did was have the electric started and get it fired up. First time I let it run for a minute.
All right. All right. Got the extra 300X going back up with the DA50. It's taking off from left to right. Coming in. Oh no! Well, that's all right. We were working the smoke pump on there. We thought it was going to work. It didn't, but that's okay. The airplane's been setting up for how long? At least a year or longer. There we go. Flies very good, super aerobatic. Very nice. Oh, it's smoking. It's trying. I see it. Come on, you can do it. It's been sitting up for a while, so it's got to pump through there. But we'll see what happens. Nice. These kind of airplanes can make you kind of nervous. But it's like riding a bike. You get it, it comes back to you. That's neat. And I think we clocked this airplane doing what, about 100 or so? It's fast. Plenty of limited vertical, super stable. It'll do anything that you want it to. And very forgiving, it looks like. At least on the landings. Now you got to pay attention to it, but it looks like it's like any other aerobatic airplane you get. Setting up for a landing. Smooth. That's buttery. That was buttery. Nice. And now it's smoking.
Getting the same amount of oil.
There we go. How about that? Kit built 300 extra from the bottom up. And what kind of kit was that, by the way?
Old Ohio RC.
Ohio RC kit, old school.
Hey guys, don't forget to
Excellent
click like
find.
and subscribe to the channel so you get all the updates. Thanks.